Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn how to fix or lock background color in a sheet. Sometimes when you share a sheet with others to edit, you may want to lock the background color in a range of cells and prevent them to be changed. In this case, you can protect the sheet and not allow others to change cell format. To lock the cells, first select them and right click and choose the format cells. In the format cells dialog box, click on the option protection and check the option locked and click OK. Now all the selected cells have been locked. Go to the Review tab and click Protect Sheet option. And in the Protect Sheet dialog box, enter the password and uncheck only the option Format Cells. Click OK. Re-enter the password to confirm it and click OK. Now all the cells formatting in the worksheet can't be changed. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.